i35equipment.com. This is a John Deere 160D hydraulic track excavator. Does have the manual thumb on it, full cab, factory HVAC. John Deere 4.5 liter motor, putting out good power, and best of all, no DEF required. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire some local ones to company if you like. We're open by appointment only and showing equipment by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. This machine is really nice looking. It's a local consignment. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We'll be happy to share some more information with you. And we've got folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. Help you get your machinery sold. If you'd like a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website. We'll share that address. Several local haulers, a nationwide broker. Be back with the best hauling rate that comes back to us. As always, welcome you to arrange for your own hauling, or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. We do ship out equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Going to demonstrate the use of the manual thumb and the power of the machine. Actually, over here and picking up some concrete. Great machine for digging or loading trucks or pulling trees. Especially with that thumb on there, the usability is fantastic. Makes it super easy to grab what you're going for, load it up in a truck, or move it around. If you're sorting scrap, real nice too. Yeah, that is a big piece of concrete right there. We do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete, bricks and the like here. So if you're in our local area, just give us a call. We'll show you where to dump at. Open the gates for you. He's gonna get it parked, and then we'll take a look around and climb up in the operator station and check out the interior as well. Good digging power. This bucket has 5 teeth on it. This manual thumb here has serrated teeth for better grip. Hydraulic fluid looks good. Switchable control patterns here, so no matter who's operating it, they can go right at home with their control pattern of choice. Go ahead and climb up, take a look at the motor. Storage compartment. Still has that hand safety rail here. in the operator station and take a look around. Go ahead and zoom out to this fisheye lens. I'm going to store it just a bit, but give you a real good view of the interior. Has the factory rubber floor mat. And I believe that's the factory seat underneath this cover. Take a look back here. Very quickly. Yep. There's the John Deere operator's manual for this machine. Always real nice to have. Okay, this side over here, and like I said, it does have switchable control pattern, so no matter who's operating it, they can feel right at home with their control pattern of choice. No lights, no issues. It may look like it's flickering a little bit. In real life, it's not. That's just due to the camera. Currently sitting at 73 hours. So you control travel speeds, different power modes. This will auto decelerate for efficiency, or you can turn that on and off. Throttle here, HVAC control here, radio. Do appreciate taking time to watch. Like I said, if you have any questions, just give us a call. There's the AC. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.